speaker is in your headsets, TV sets at home, but that was pretty loud and awesome. A special moment for him. Second place, though, will be Shinya Zawa.
Yeah, really impressive start to the season for the Japanese rookie.
Danish from Malaysia.
Hakim Danish then out onto the podium in Indonesia.
Now we'd like to invite
Who is coming to collect the trophy, though? That's the question. What excitement awaits us now? But previously, it was Taka Nakagami and Ayagura.
Now, I don't believe it is riders today. We have some dignitaries. We have a representative from Idemitsu and the chief of the West Nusa Tenggara Police, I believe.
All right.
Chief Inspector there. And then second is a dignitary from Idemitsu, like I said, from Idemitsu, Indonesia.
as the president, PT Idemitsu Indonesia.
There you go. Then coming to give the second place trophy out. Very respectful pass over. And then, of course, it'll be the first place trophy for Hakim Danish.
It is, and it's the president of FIM Asia who presents the winner's trophy. And now it'll be the national anthem.
Yes, of Malaysia. Well, I could safely say I felt that in my fingers and in my toes because we're literally right next to the podium.
We are indeed.
Some big rumbles.
Yeah, absolutely. The Malaysian national anthem then ringing out across Lombok this time around. Can he do it again tomorrow? It's hard to bet against it.
Yeah, well, here I can do the rider in the far corner of your screen of that previous shot will be doing everything he can to make sure it's him on top of the box here tomorrow. We'll be getting a look at some highlights very shortly from that race. Do join us tomorrow. We'll be on here local time, getting underway at 8:50 a.m. Very early start for, well, everybody, in fact, actually, if you're watching from the west or if you're watching from the east. It's still quite early on a Sunday.
It is indeed, yes, absolutely.